Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to organize your gardening tasks using Airtable, your digital garden assistant. First up, create a base by clicking the Add a Base button. This will be your main gardening workspace, where you can manage everything from watering schedules to plant types. Creating a base is like having a virtual potting shed where everything you need is at your fingertips. Now that we've done that, let's add tables. Click the plus symbol next to tables. Dedicate each table to a different gardening aspect like plants, tasks, supplies, and harvest. This helps us because it organizes your gardening information into logical categories, making it easier to find what you need. Next up, populate each table with records. Click Add a Record and input relevant information. For instance, under Plants, you could add species name, planting date, and expected bloom. This is crucial because it helps you keep track of every detail about your garden, ensuring you don't miss out on important milestones and care routines. Now, let's create views. Views allow you to see your data in different ways. For example, you can create a calendar view of your tasks table to visualize your gardening schedule. The reason we do this is to make your tasks more manageable by providing a visual representation of your gardening timeline. Finally, link related records between tables. This way, when you click on a plant name, you can see all the tasks related to it. This is as simple as clicking Link to another record in the Field Type dropdown. This matters because it makes it easier to understand the relationships between different elements of your garden, allowing you to manage your tasks more efficiently. And there you have it, a quick guide to organizing your gardening tasks with Airtable. Remember, a well-organized garden is a happy garden. Thanks for joining us today, and happy gardening.